Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. So exams are nearing and I hope that you all are preparing for that. All the best from my end. And I want to tell you that I host free special live classes daily on unacademy at 7 p.m. for GIGL and company law. And now we are going to start with the topic of CSR. So I am here to announce another 2 special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 23rd and 24th March sharp at 7 p.m. So starting with the topic of CSR, today we will discuss about the introduction, applicability, cessation and all the introductions for the CSR sharp at 7 p.m. and tomorrow at 7 p.m. we will discuss all about the CSR committee, which is a good topic, a vast topic and also an important topic from the point of view of exams. I want to tell you that these classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. The class links for both the classes will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that you receive a notification before the class begins. Other than that, I want to tell you that unacademy offers awesome courses for CA, CS and CMA students, and especially for our CS executive students. A Shikhar batch is launched on 16th March. That's a comprehensive batch that has launched for module 1, module 2 and combo as well. And the best part, that if you take subscription today for 12 months, you'll get 2 months extra. And if you take subscription for 24 months, you'll get 3 months extra. Check the batch links in the description box below. And if you plan to take the subscription, then do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. Hoping to see you all today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. for the topic of CSR. Unlock my session by using my code CSJAS. Bye.